Hey parents, I just wanted to go over the homework. Some students were feeling a bit confused about it. So this is practicing the standard of being able to write fractions on a number line or a line plot. So it reads, a meteorologist set up rain gauges at various locations around a city and recorded the rainfall amount in the table below. Use the data in the table to create a line plot using 1/8 inches. So students should take some time looking at this. It was a bit confusing because it gives 10 different locations. This information won't be used on the plot. What will be used is the rainfall in inches. So students need to decide how to break up this number line, and it does tell us how to divide it into fractional segments, which is 1/8 inches. But they have to take a look at the data. From looking at that, they'll see the biggest number is 1 1/4, but it does go over 1. They'll also notice they have eighth. Well, an eighth is less than a whole. So for me, I would start at 0 because you're going to break it into eighths, right? And they'll continue that until they have 8 tick marks, or 7 tick marks, but 8 spots leading up to 1. And then they'll continue doing 8 tick marks until they get to 2. Okay, then they're going to mark. So I'll use 1/8 as an example. Oh, I see 1/8 here, I see it here, and I see it here. Don't see it anywhere else. So let's say this is 1/8 here. I'm going to put 3 X's. Then there's going to be some questions here. And students have to know that not just 1/8 of rainfall occurred, it's actually 3/8, right? So they might have to figure that out in here. They also have to look at which location had the most, which location had the least, which rainfall measurement was the most frequent, and what is the total rainfall in inches. Okay, any questions, feel free to give me a message, watch this video, and just practice looking at this with your students if they need it. Like I said to them earlier, we'll go over the homework and the answers tomorrow in class, but if they want to try to work through these critical thinking skills with you, this might help.